be the best in the cooking. Hello viewers, good day to you. I'm happy to meet you again with new recipe. This is Amu's Delight. I shall prepare green peas potato gravy for puri, idli, dosa and rice and pulao items. It will go with all tiffin item and fried rice dishes. You will like it very much. Do not miss this video. Watch full video. I have explained it clearly. Okay, are you ready? We shall start. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe it. First take the peas and potato, then onion, tomato, green chilli and coriander leaf, ginger garlic paste, then half cup of coconut, then add in coconut add 1 spoon of fennel, half spoon of jeera, then add this poppy seed 1 spoon. If poppy seed not having means put cashew nut 4 or 5 and make it a fine paste. Then keep a cooker, add some oil, 3 spoon of oil. After oil heating, add 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 green chilli and 1 cardamom. Fry it for 1 minute and then add 3 medium sized onion in small pieces. Fry it till golden color comes. Now in this stage, onion is fried. Then add 1½ tomato in small pieces. Then add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it till tomato mashed and ginger garlic paste raw smell goes. After tomato ginger garlic paste fried, then we add the chili powder half spoon and dhania powder 1 spoon, then turmeric powder little 1/4 spoon, and this is garam masala powder half spoon. Fry it once till spices raw smell goes. After frying the spices and all, then add peas, half cup of peas and 2 medium sized potato in small pieces. Take it out the skin in potato. Then add in onion tomato paste. After putting the pieces and potato, mix it once. Then add water, 4 glass of water, and add salt for taste. After adding the salt, mix it all inside and all. Take it out and mix it once. Let boil for some time. Now the water is boiled, and close it and wait for 4 whistle comes in medium flame. Now after 4 whistle came, open and see the pieces and potato is cooked. Then we add the coconut paste. Half cup of coconut, 1 spoon of fennel and half spoon jeera. Make it a smooth paste. Add it in the piece potato. Mix it nicely. After mixing, wait for 2, 3 or 5 minutes. The boil want to come. After putting coconut, don't boil for over 3 or 5 minutes is enough. Then add that in the jar coconut water little and mix it once and wait for 5 minutes for boiling want to come. Now after 5 minutes the coconut is cooked nicely. Then we going to add some little fryness. Keep it in at the side and take a small pan for making frying. Put 1 spoon of oil, 1 or 1.5 spoon of oil. Then after oil heating, add mustard seed and urdu dal seed 1/4 teaspoon. Then 1/4 teaspoon of fennel. Let it fry for for 1 minute. Now take it out, mix it once, then put it in the piece potato curry. Keep it in medium flame. Let it boil for 1 minute and put 1 handful of coriander leaf. Mix it once and switch off the flame. Now our piece potato curry is ready to serve. Today's piece potato gravy came out well. I like this preparation. Hope you understood the process. It is easy to prepare and tasty dish for all the tiffin items and rice too. Now you try it in your kitchen and give me your suggestion in comment section. If you like the share to your friends and give a like to this video. Thank you I shall meet you in again with new dish. Subscribe my channel. Be the best in the cooking.